The Tech Fixr will show you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram. So if you're trying to add a note but you see the note feature is not available in your Instagram, follow these simple steps to fix this issue. The first solution is update your Instagram application. Go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then update your Instagram app and then check the issue. And the second solution is turn on activity status. Open your profile, tap on this menu at the top right, settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on messages and story replies. Tap on show activity status. Enable activity status and then check the issue. And the third solution is switch your personal account to a professional account. So open your Insta profile and tap on this menu at the top right, settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on account type and tools, switch to professional account, tap on continue. Once you converted your personal account to a professional account, then you should get your note feature. And the last solution is report a problem. Go to your profile, tap on this menu at the top right, settings and privacy. Scroll down, help, report a problem. And here carefully describe that the note feature is not available on your Instagram. And after submitting the report, wait up to 24 hours and then you should get the your note feature on your Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.